Shadow work is the process of meeting the parts of yourself you've hidden or rejected. It's where healing begins through honesty, curiosity, and compassion. Start by noticing what stirs discomfort, jealousy, anger, or insecurity. These are not flaws. They are messages from the parts of you asking to be seen. Sit with what you feel. Ask your emotion what it wants to tell you. Listening without judgment allows healing to begin. Write what comes up without censoring yourself. Don't chase clarity. Let it form as you express your truth. Awareness becomes healing when you live from it. Each insight invites you to choose understanding instead of reaction. After shadow work, ground yourself, touch the earth, breathe deeply, return to the body. Healing isn't about light defeating dark, it's light embracing dark with grace.